Ma'am is not there. I'm handling it. Dipali, the the code is joinmyquiz.com. You have to go to joinmyquiz.com. Yes, yes, yes. It's so sad. Yes. So we are starting the quiz, and here we go. The first question is on your screen. Which is the largest breed on penguins? Take your own time. I see a lot of people already getting the groove quickly. Fantastic. You have some time. We still have about 18 seconds remaining. Yeah. Kapish has taken, okay, Riyansh, Tanushka have taken a lead on this. But 61% of people, 61 people answered the question right. I'll go to the next question now. Which bird lays the largest eggs? The largest eggs, not the maximum amount of eggs. Oh, that's fast. Time's up. Leaderboard. Riyansh is still leading, but we have Sandhi and Tanushka on the second and third. But most of the people answered it right. That is great. All of you, please attempt the questions. Only 101 of you attempted the question. Out of 32 of you didn't even attempt the question. I'm going to the next question now. Which of them is not a flightless bird? All of you answer it. Make a guess if you can. If you can't, really know, because the more you answer, the better it is for you. That's fantastic. We have a lot of you answering it very quickly. Time up. Hanshika is leading, Sanvi is still on second, and Tanushka is on the third. That is great. This was a tricky one, it seems. A lot of you answered it wrong. The next question is on the screen now. Which kind of bird catches fish in his throat pouch? The key here is pouch. All of you participate. Time is up. And the leaderboard is in front of you now. Interesting new name. Sandy is still the leader. We'll go to the next question now. Are you all ready? Fantastic. Time up for this question. Let's see the leaderboard. Sanvi is still. Oh, Jason has come on the top now. And almost all of you were correct. Let's go to the next question. Which of these body parts the birds do not have? That's good. Answer it fast. Time up. 117 of you have answered the question. Let's see. Jason and Sanvi are leading the quiz, and almost all of you have answered correctly. The answer is teeth. Let's go to the next question. Which is the only bird which can fly backward? And Yashas, you don't need to answer everyone, please. Else I will disable the chat. Time up. The leaderboard is, the top three are Sanvi, Navya, and Disha. Natali is on fourth. Almost everyone answered it right. No problem, Yashas. No problem. Let's go to the next question now. Yashas, you answer the questions now. Next question is now on the screen. Which bird has a huge yellow bill? This should be easy. Yes, Yashas, it's easy. Time up. And let's see the leaderboard. Navya, Disha, and Natali are the top three now. This is great. Two cons was the right answer. That's correct. Next question is on your screen now. Which type of bird is the Donald from Mickey Mouse? Now, this is probably the easiest question in the quiz. You should know this. Ayush, please do not answer here. Yes, Nitin, it's easy. I think I will disable the chat. 1 second. This is important that people cannot chat. Time up. Let's see how you've performed. The top three are Navya, Natali, and Disha. And Shania is on fourth now. Almost all of you are correct as expected. Yes, it's a duck. It's Donald Duck. Now let's go to the next question. It's on your screen now. Which is the name of the journey made by birds between their summer and winter homes. That is good. Keep answering. Time is about to get over. Time up. Let's look at the leaderboard. Navya, Disha, and Natalie, the top three right now. Remember, the top three will get certificates. These are internationally acceptable certificates. Will help you a lot in colleges. The top three will get certificates which you can use every time. The next question is on your screen now. What are the baby swans called? This can be tricky. That's why you're answering slowly. The time is passing by. Please answer it fast. Remember, if you answer it faster, you get more marks. Let's see the leaderboard. We have Navya, Disha, and now Shanaya is the third. Natalie has moved to fourth. Remember, the top three will get a certificate from Podium, which will be in your name, signed by us, which will be valid for all the international schools. The next question is on your screens now. Well, very good. Which is the national bird of India? Now, we should know all of this, right? Okay, time up. Let's see the scores now. Who's the leader now? The top three certificate winners right now could be Navya, Disha, and Shanaya. You know what? Ask your parents to take a picture of you playing this quiz, and I'll tell you why. Just ask your parents to take a picture of you playing this quiz. I hope all of you can see that. Please ask your parents to take a picture of you playing this quiz right now with the screen in the picture. I'll take a pause for 4 seconds. Tell your parents. And now we'll go to the next question. You can tell your parents in the break after this question. The next question is, which of the following senses is weakest in the birds? Now, this is easy. I see a lot of you answering the question. That is fantastic. Time up. Let's see the leaderboard. Okay, all new Jason, Tanushika, and Daksha. That is fantastic. All of you kids, have you asked your parents to take a picture of you playing the quiz? If not, do it now. I'll tell you what to do with that picture, but ask your parents to take a picture of you playing the quiz right now. You can be on the phone, on the laptop, anything. The picture should have your photo and the photo of the screen. We are going to the next question now. Which type of flight is least common among birds? That's great. I can see a lot of people answering. Time's up. Let's see the leaderboard. Tanushka is the leader. Tayyab is new, and Ryan also is new. Jason has moved to fourth now. Hovering flight was the right answer. Let's go to the next question. Which is the largest living bird on earth? That is superb. You guys are playing very fast. Lovely. Time up. Let's see the leaderboard. So we have Tanushka, Tayyab, and Ryan on the top three again. Kids, I had asked you to make your parents take a picture of you playing the quiz. I hope all of you have done that. Next time, I'll tell you what to do with that. Okay? They have to take a picture of you when you are facing the screen, and I'll tell you what to do after that. Let's go to the next question now. Next question is on your screen now. Which is one of the smallest of the Indian bird? Which one of the following is the smallest bird? We have a lot of questions. Don't worry. Time up. Let's see the leaderboard now. Remember, the top three will get certificates. It's Tayyab, Ryan, and Jason on the top three. Arnav is on fourth. All of you, I hope you have taken the pictures by now. I will tell you in the next two questions what to do with the picture, but ask your parents to take a picture of you facing the screen taking this quiz. So let's go to the next question. It's on your screen now. Time's up. Let's see the leaderboard. Okay, Tayyab, Tanushka, and Shania are the top three, and Kartikeya is on the fourth. This is fantastic. Plumage was the right answer. We are going to the next question, and I hope all of you have taken the picture. The next question will be on your screen in just a moment. Anshul, don't be sad. We are still halfway through. Try all the questions. Next question on the screen right now. Feathers that are usually symmetrical are called what? I see you have chosen very lovely avatars, huh? That is fantastic. Nitin, don't be sad. Anshul, don't be sad. We'll have quizzes, a lot of quizzes. Prepare yourself. We are just halfway through. Time's up. Let's see the leaderboard. Tayyab, Tanushka, and Sadhvi are the top three, and Jason is on top fourth. I hope you all are having fun. But and have asked your parents to take a picture. Let's see the next question. Which of the following birds can speak like humans? Now, this is interesting, and I'm sure you can answer this quickly. Yes, Nitin, very easy. Anshul, Nitin, have you asked your parents to take a picture of yours? Very good. Yes, Rushida, it's very easy, I know. Time up. Love, please do not give the answers. Thank you. The leaderboard is now Tayyab, Tanushka, and Sanvi are the top three, and the answer was parrot. Tejeshwar, you can see the link on the top. Just go to the quiz and come on. Yes. Let's go to the next question. You're doing very well, but we're just halfway through. You can still make it to the top three. Keep trying. Colorado Firecrackers has which bird on their logo? Please do not answer on the chat. Okay. Love, please do not answer here. Time up. Let's see the leaderboard. Tayyab, Tanushka, and Sandhi are the top. I hope all of you have asked your parents to take a picture by now. The picture should be there right now. Let's see the next question now. Coronavirus is from consumption of which bird? Please do not answer on the chat. Time up. Let's see the leaderboard now. Tayyab, Tanushka, and Sambi are still there. Thania and Swasti are on the 4th and 5th. Let's go to the next question. The next question is on your screen now. What kind of food would this bird eat? Tayyab, Tanushka, and Sambi are still on the top 3. That is fantastic. The answer is fish. Now let's get ready for the next question. Let's see. Let's see how are you doing. Love, I'm not sure which leaderboard you see. The top 3 now are Tayyab, Tanushka, and Sanvi. Almost everyone answered it right. The answer is swim. Now, I was asking you to take a picture. Now, what you have to do with the picture is ask your parents to post the picture on their Instagram or our Facebook group, tagging us, which is Podium Classes. The best pictures we will include on our official channel. You have to add the hashtag Podium Super Quiz. The hashtag is Podium Super Quiz. I have put this on the chat. So make sure that you post it on Instagram and Facebook, tag us, and add the hashtag Podium Super Quiz. And we will select the best and add it to our official channel. We have 23 questions done, 12 still remaining. The next question is on your screen now. Yes, Nitin, it's easy, but have you asked your parents to do the pick thing? Make sure your parents post these pictures. Anshul, you're on 90th, don't worry. We're almost halfway through. Vanshika, fantastic. Karthik, great. Oh, half of you have already posted the pictures. Tayyab, Tanushka, and Shanaya are the top three. And we're going to the next question. But I hope all of you have asked your parents to post the picture on Instagram and Facebook. Don't forget the hashtag Podium Super Quiz. And don't forget to tag us. The best pictures we will include on our official channel and tag your names on that. How cool is that? Post the pictures as soon as the quiz ends. Yes, Riyan, you're on 17th. I understand, but there are a lot of questions. I'm sure you'll catch up. The next question is on the screen now. Penguin makes a nest by using what? Time's up. Let's see the leaderboard. Tayyab, Tanushka, and Shanaya are still the top three. Pebbles and Small Stone, the right answer. I hope all of you have asked your parents to post it on the Instagram and Facebook. You have to not forget to tag Podium Classes, our page, and hashtag Podium Super Quiz. The photo should have your face and the screen on the photo. The next question on the screen now. Another wants to know my name. I hope you have answered your question. Time's up. Leaderboard now is Tayyab, Tanushka, and Shanaya are still the top three. You guys need to catch up. Beaverbird is the right answer. I hope your parents have already posted this on Facebook and Instagram. I see at least 15 of you have confirmed. The best pictures will be on our official channel. Don't forget the hashtag Podium Super Quiz. And don't forget to tag us, which is Podium Classes, the page. We are going to the next question now. Yes, Divyachi, you can put on Facebook, but make sure that you tag us and the hashtag is Podium Super Quiz. The next question is on your screen now. Oh, wow, that is very fast. People are answering very, very fast. We still have 8 questions to go. Riyaj, you are 11th out. Don't worry, you'll be coming fast. Riyaj, have you asked your parents to post the picture on Instagram and Facebook? You have to tag Podium Classes and the hashtag Podium Super Quiz. The hashtag is same, Divyanshi. It's Podium Super Quiz. Anga, don't worry. We still have 8 questions to go. I'm sure you can catch up. Anubhav, you need to still stay. Don't quit. The leaderboard is Tayyab, Tanushka, and Aditya has reached number 3. That is fantastic. The answer was hatching. Angad, keep writing. Yes, Divyanshi, it's Podium School. Yes, but the tag is Podium Classes. So yes, you can tag Podium School. Don't forget the hashtag. Your picture has to be beautiful. Ask your friends to like your pictures on Facebook and Instagram. The most liked pictures will be screened, right? The next question is on your screen now. Divyanshi, it's Podium Super Quiz, not Super Quiz. Yes, Vanshika, this was hard. Yes. Love, I don't know what your problem with the screen is. Karthik, yes, it was slightly hard, but have you asked your parents to take a picture? That should be easy, right? So Aditya's on number 2, Tayyab and Tanushka are there. Advik, do not quit. Have you taken the picture, Advik, and posted on Facebook or Instagram? I'm sure you have. Oh, a lot of people have done that. Fantastic. Let's go to the next question. Top 3 of this quiz will get a certificate from Podium, which will be a internationally acceptable certificate. Let's see the next question now. Nitin, Advik, do not quit. Nitin, you're very sad. Don't worry. You still have just 6 questions to go. Yes. Next question is on your screen now. Remember, speed is also important. Anubhav, don't be sad. Nitin, don't be sad. Great, Nitin. Ask your parents to take a picture of yours. Post it on Facebook and Instagram. Tag us. Yes, Vanshika, this is easy. Vanshika, have you taken the picture and posted? Okay, happy is also very sad. Disha, we will declare the results after the quiz. Neil, that is very good. Vanshika has already done the quiz. Very nice. Anubhav, have you asked your parents to put the picture? That is fantastic. Put it on both Instagram and Facebook. Yes, Jashin, I know. Hey, Komal, how are you? Time's up. Let's see the leaderboard. Tayyab, Aditya, and Tanushka are still on the top 3. This was the right answer. I hope almost 108 of you have done the right. I hope all of you have already posted your picture from your parents' ID. You have added the hashtag Podium Super Quiz and you have tagged Podium on your Instagram and Facebook. Please make sure all your friends love it. Talk about what you have done in the quiz. Let's go to the next question very soon. Anubhav, we cannot give you screen access. Please do not try it. We have 5 more questions to go. Let's see the next question. I hope by now all of you have your parents already posted your picture on Facebook and Instagram. The next question is on your screen in 3, 2, 1. All birds lay. Yes, now this should be easy. Time is about to run off. Okay. Let's go to the next question. Time's up. The leaderboard is Tayyam, Aditya, Tanushka, and Shania are still in the top 4. Yes, the hard-shelled egg is the answer. We have 5 more questions to go. We still have just 6 minutes to go. Anubhav, don't be bored. Jia, yes, this is very easy. Let's see the next question. I hope all of you have already done the picture part. The next question is on your screen now. Let's see how many of you, Vanshika, yes, it's a bit hard, but I hope you have done your part on the posting of pictures. Yes, Angad, it's getting difficult, and that's why you have chance to get it on the top 10. We still have a little time to go. All of you get the pictures posted. Riyansh, yes, it's slightly hard, yes. But I hope all of you have asked your parents. Don't forget the hashtag Podium Super Quiz, and don't forget to tag us. Fantastic. Vanshika has already posted the picture. This is superb. The top 3 are already changed. Shania is the top 3rd now. This was a tough one. Indigo Bunting is the right answer. Niglan, you have to post on the Facebook group of Podium. The next question on your screen in 3 seconds. Riyansh is doing very well. Thank you. Good. Time's up. The top 3 have not changed. Shania is the 3rd one now. Yes, it's a pigeon. The next question is on the screen now. We are just two more questions. A parrot has a dash beak. Time's up. Let's see the leaderboard. Aditya is number one, Tayyab and Shanaya are second and third respectively. This is fantastic. Aditya was also the number one in one of the earlier quizzes. So we have got good quiz masters and quizzers on this group also. Hi Khushi, namaste. The second last question is on your screen now. This is the second last question. This is great. Time's up. Let's see the leaderboard. Aditya, Tayyab, and Sharaya are the top three. Last question is on your screen now. This is the make or break. Make sure that you attempt this question. All of you get set for a fantastic closure to the quiz. The top three will get certificates from Podium. The next question is on your screen now. This is the last question. Attempted properly. Here you go. This is the last question. All of you attempt the question. Time's up. Let's see the leaderboard. It's Aditya, Tayyab, and Sharaya, and Shivani and Swasti are the fourth and fifth. This was the result. The answer was all of the above. Almost all of you wrote nests, but a few of you actually realized that it could be all of this. And here we go. And we have a bonus question. Let's see the next question. The quiz is over. And we will now have a look at the leaderboard. I will take you through this. I'll just open you up for discussion also in some time. I'll allow you to unmute also, so don't worry. But let's create the leaderboard first. Vanshika has posted, Shanaya has posted. Thank you. Okay. So this is the leaderboard. Okay, 1 second. Okay. This is your scores. 1 second, I've got disconnected. So Aditya, Tayyab, and Shanaya are getting certificates. This is exciting to see Shivani, Swasti, Tanushka, Ryan, Disha, Ritvik, and Sahana, who are in the top 10. I'll scroll through and I will make the quiz. You can now talk so that, yeah. So now you can talk, ask questions, and I'll be happy to answer.
Sir, my name is not there.
Whose name is not there? One second.
My Happy Gupta.
This is
What is
yours,
your
sir.
rank?
Yes, sir. Posted on Instagram. Is it okay?
Yes, it's okay. You-
Enjoy the quiz.
So first, I'm
was awesome. Instagram. Sir, I like the quiz very much. Like quiz, sir. I also get certificate. The quiz. Okay, we love the quiz. Bye.
Let's put on to results.
Student to select my
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Also
all of
get
you.
certificate. Sir, but my name is not there.
Um,
I like this. Sir, why didn't ma'am get certificate?
Need a second or time.
Thank you, sir. I did
Need a
not
second.
receive the certificate of last quiz. I was the winner.
My name is
you
not
can,
there.
whose
Sir,
name is
I
not
did
there?
not.
My name is Saraswati.
Can you please chat and I'll answer the question? Please chat.
Sir, I can't chat. Please tell Dr. Dinesh where is certificate. Sir, we are having the quiz.
Thank you.
Sir,
Can't chat.
Yeah.
I did not receive the certificate. I was the second winner of last quiz.
You must have got an email from our side.
Yes, they asked my name. I gave, but till now I didn't receive the certificate.
The certificates have been sent. We'll check again. But thank you. You can mail us again. We will make sure the certificates have been reached.
Yes.
Thank you.
Bye, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you. Bye bye. And please don't forget to post the picture.
Sir.
Bye bye.
Sir, my name is not there.
Whose name?
Bye, sir. Happy Gupta.
What was your rank?
Separate section, which is the largest.
I don't know, sir.
So do you have to tell me the rank, right? Before I send you the result, right?
I am on 98. Can you please check?
Yeah, 1 second. 98. 1 second.
Sir, will top 10 get anything?
Top 3 will get certificates.
सेलेक्ट करना पड़ेगा ऐसे सेलेक्ट कर
Sir,
Yeah.
how will you send the certificate?
We will send the certificates online. These are signed certificates.
Sir, how will these certificates help us?
Not there.
These are quiz certificates which are applicable and acceptable by
Bye,
all the schools. Bye-bye.
Sir, please tell-
Not
sir,
there.
how this certificate will be helpful for us?
When you do anything good, you get a certificate. So you can show this to anywhere where you want to show how well you have done.
So, home to phone.
How will you go sleep?
Thank you for joining the
Sir,
quiz.
can I leave the meeting?
Yes, please. Thank you for joining the
Bye,
quiz. Have a good evening. And we'll see you again soon. Thank you.
sir. See you tomorrow.
Bye-bye. See you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, Dad. Bye.
Bye-bye, Pranav. Bye-bye, Kanav. Bye-bye. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye, sir.
Bye-bye.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir.
Certificate, will you send it on Gmail?
Yeah, you have to send us an email at hello@podium.school and we will reply to that with the certificate. Okay, it is hello@podium.school.
Can you repeat the
I will write on the chat. I will write on the chat. 1 second. The
okay.
email ID is
Sir, please answer my chat also.
1 second. What is your name?
The name is Shania Arora.
Yeah, Shania. Are you in the top 3?
Yes.
Okay, Shania, congratulations. You can send us an email on hello@podium.school and we will send you the certificate on the email ID. Is that okay, Shania?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Congratulations. Thank you.
I enjoyed the quiz.
We loved having all of you participate. Thank you.
Sir, do you know I'm studying birds in my school?
Oh, that's why you could answer them quickly. That is fantastic.
Yes.
Sir, last week is there next week?
I can't hear you, Natasha. Yes, welcome. This is the first time. I hope you liked it.
Hello, sir.
Hi, Sisha. I hope you liked the quiz.
What, sir?
You liked the quiz? Okay, guys, I think it's too late. You have to go to take your dinners and evening coffees and
Bird,
milk.
sir.
Yes.
Bird, sir.
Okay, if there's anything you want to ask us, you can always email us at hello@podium.school and we'll be happy to answer.
Your name, sir?
My name is Hitesh. Thank you, Angad. And
sir.
don't forget to post your pictures on Facebook and Instagram. And
Yes, sir.
Natasha has a doubt. Natasha, you can email us at hello@podium.school and we will answer your question there. Okay? Thank you, Natasha. You're wearing a very pretty top, Natasha. See you, everyone. Have a nice evening. Bye-bye. Bye, all.
Bye, sir.